Chicago students won't be back in school tomorrow as the teachers union battles with city and district officials. Now parents are taking their fight against remote learning to court. One of those parents suing the union, Chicago mother of three and 41st Ward Republican Committeewoman Ammie Kessem. She joins us now along with Liberty Justice Center attorney Jeff Schwab. Welcome to both of you. Thank you for joining us this morning. Ammie, let me first start with you. As we know, each child, or I should say our taxpayers are paying $27,000 per child for these children to be taught in person in the Chicago School District. That is not happening. You say that this is what the teachers not agreeing to return to school to teach in person is a strike, and that, of course, as you know, is illegal. They say it's not a strike. What do you say?
Well, they can call it whatever they want, but it is a strike, no matter how you look at it. Look, I understand better than anyone their fear. I'm a first responder. I've been out there these past 2 years every day protecting the streets, and the bottom line is these teachers have been given every resource that has been available to them. They were first in line for vaccines, they're first in line for PPEs, they're first in line for the boosters. Enough is enough. We got to get these kids back in school.
Yeah, I mean, each school received about $1 million, each school, and probably more. God knows how much grift has been involved in all this COVID money that's been pouring out. I'm going to talk to you, Jeff, right now. Tell me what you think are the chances of this lawsuit. I guess you're representing seven clients, is that correct? What do you think the chances are that your lawsuit will force the teachers union back into the classroom?
Well, we're hopeful, and we believe the law is on our side. It's very clear. The contract itself says that a strike is not allowed, and also under Illinois law, they cannot strike while there is a good contract, which there is.
So the teachers union has said that they will not return, this is what they say, until COVID or the virus substantially subsides and until the city signs an agreement on the conditions of return. What are the conditions, Jeff, that they are setting forth?
Well, it's my understanding that they want some sort of percentage to know whether to shut down schools based on the percentage of the population in Chicago that has COVID, and you know, they don't have that right to unilaterally decide when, like they're doing now, to unilaterally decide to shut down schools.
Yeah, Ammie, the mayor of Chicago has come out for, surprisingly actually, against the teachers union, saying you guys got to get back to the classroom. You're a mom, but you're also a Republican assemblywoman. What are you hearing on the ground? Is this a bipartisan issue in Chicago? Or is this just Republican moms and dads saying, we want our kids back in school?
No, this is not. This is bipartisan. This is not a one-sided fight. We as parents, we need to get our kids back in school, but, even more so, as a first responder, I know that the safest place for these kids to be is in school. And I think that the mayor knows that too. I hope so.
Yeah, I hope so too. I hope it changes the politics around school choice in Chicago too. We'll see if that happens. Thank you, Ammie Kessem and Jeff Schwab. Appreciate your fight.
Thanks, Rachel.
All right.
Thank you.